Hi guys, and welcome back to another tutorial. For today's video is how to use filters for your Facebook story. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to use filters for your Facebook story, you can follow these steps. Now first thing we're gonna do is open Facebook app, then tap on create story. Take a photo or video using the camera or choose an existing photo or video from your camera roll. Now, next is once you selected the photo or video, swipe left or right on the screen to access different filters. Tap on the filter you want to use to apply it to your photo. You can also add text, stickers, and other effects to your story by tapping on the corresponding icons at the top of the screen. Once you have finished your editing your story, just tap the share button to post. Please keep in mind that the availability of filters on Facebook stories may vary depending on your location and device. Additionally, some filters may be temporary and only available for a limited time. So that's it. I hope that this video helps, and if you have any questions, just put it in the comment section below and make sure to subscribe and like. Thanks!